Hello friends, we are back with another giveaway video. In this video, we will unbox a BoAt earphone. Just an unbox, not a review, but I'll give some specification of it. So it comes with a mic. It has one button to manage and control your calls. The cable length is 120 cm long, which is really nice. The size of the speaker is 10 mm. And it is compatible with all the devices that has 3.5 mm headphone jack. It has super extra bass. The build quality and design is just excellent. The sound quality of this earphone is mind-blowing. I have tested it. So friends, if you want to buy this product, I have given the link in the description, so please go ahead and buy there. To win a giveaway, you just have to do 3 things. That is, like, comment, and subscribe our channel if you're new to our channel. We will announce the winner once we get 150 comments and 150 subscribers. So friends, please share it to your friends. More videos of giveaway are coming, so stay tuned, keep watching our channel.